Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you a brightening facial mask. This is an overnight facial mask, which means you can put it on your face and go to bed and wash it off the next morning. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I'll get a bowl and come in with about 4 tablespoonfuls of aloe vera gel. I'll put in a few drops of rose essential oil. And finally, I'll come in with about a tablespoonful of my turmeric oil. If you don't know how to make turmeric oil, I have the link in the description box. You can check it out. I'll give this a very good mix. I'll get a very clean container and transfer the mixture into it. So you can cover this up and leave it in your bathroom cabinet. It can last for weeks and weeks. Now you need to start from a very clean face, so I'll get my favorite wash and cleanse my face with it. Afterwards, and with the help of my spatula, I will apply the mask onto my face. When you first apply it, you might feel that tingling sensation. Is nothing to worry about. It will go away after a few minutes. Turmeric oil has natural brightening properties. It helps with acne marks, and it evens out your skin in general. Aloe vera gel is very soothing to the skin, especially if you've got burns or suntan. If you want to use this as an overnight facial mask, I recommend you use a smaller quantity so that you don't stain your pillowcase. Now I'll leave this on my face for about 30 minutes. So it's been after about 30 minutes, and as you can see, it's kind of dried. I'll go ahead and rinse my face with lukewarm water. You don't need soap. This mask is very good for those with acne-prone skin. It refreshes your skin and gives you that natural glow. For maximum results, you need to do this about 2 to 3 times in a week. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.